Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Today I wanted to show you 5 songs with beautiful bass walkdowns. When I speak about walkdowns on accordion, we're thinking of a bass progression, a left-hand progression that moves down. So you'll hear this type of sound. Right? That beautiful progression. Let me show you 5 songs that have that type of sound. Paranoid Android, beautiful C minor walkdown. Beautiful, beautiful walkdown. Let's continue. I'm thinking of Wider Shade of Pale. Again, we have that beautiful walkdown of that C. It goes every note. Ooh, this is a nice one. While My Guitar Gently Weeps. There are lessons in sheet music over on Accordion Love for these. Beautiful walkdown from that A minor to the G, F sharp, F, E. And again, once we start playing these, we keep seeing them over and over again. I'm thinking of Tears in Heaven by Eric Clapton in G major. Same chord progression as Would You Know My Name? We skip the grand fandango, which means we need to learn one progression and it fits so many other songs. A beautiful minor one, Una Cabeza. Very similar walkdown. In G minor. Again, a beautiful walkdown. Da 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 da. Similar kind of walkdowns in these 5 songs as well as countless other songs. The advantage is, once your fingers know how to do that motion, it applies to so many songs. You don't have to read the sheet music every time, stumble along. You've played this multiple times before. That's when you can really start bringing out your musicality. This is on autopilot. You've done this 4 or 5 other songs. This is a no-brainer. Anyways, I hope to see you over on accordionlove.com. There's lessons in sheet music for these songs, as well as tutorials on how to do these left-hand walkdowns. Thank you.